Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create a new racer car. You have created a player car and want to switch to the racer. Unpack prefab. First you need to switch the tag to the racer. Then you need to remove camera switch, weather select, car health, nitro feature, garage settings, and from here enter the racer me and racer ID. We have, for example, for racer, the ID is 4, you need to make it 5. Racer 5 is not player. Okay. Now you can add nothing. You need to delete nitro and trail. Disable nitro and trail. Remove damage. The spark is good. Everything is okay. Also you need to delete the customization features. Remove suspension ladder and so on. Everything is ready to be a racer. Okay. Race manager, player racer. As you can see, the racer move properly. The racer name is okay. Also you can no, everything looks good. Racer nitro. You can add racer nitro. This is an option as not and is not need. Sounds. Okay. Now your racer has nitro feature. I hope this video be useful.